Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how or where you can easily find your laptop's model number. So first, let's head over to Start menu and just simply type System Information, then just press on Enter. So from here, we can see all the necessary information about our laptop or PC. And if we zoom in here, the system model, you can see your laptop's model and its model number. Here in system information, you can see all the other necessary information about your laptop or PC that includes your laptop's processor, installed physical memory RAM. We also have hardware resources, components, and software environment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily find your laptop's model number. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!